A band stop or band reject filter is a type of filter which rejects a specified narrow band of frequencies and allows all other frequencies to pass through it. In this video, we will make such a band reject filter using the twin T notch method. The twin T signifies the two RC T circuits which act as filters to reject the certain narrow band of frequencies, and the notch signifies the deep range which we see in the Bode plot for an band stop filter, hence its name. So here we will use this band reject filter to reject the narrow band of frequencies ranging from 50 to 60 Hz, which we typically see in the power supply hum. So in a AC mains voltage circuit, we typically sometimes see the power supply hum as noises, and we need to reject those frequencies which are unwanted. So we configure this RMC in our twin T notch filter to reject those specified amount of frequencies. So I use this online calculator tool to determine the values of R and C. So having an R1 and R2 value of 470 kilo ohm and R3 of 100 kilo ohm and all C1, C2, C3 being equal to 10 nanofarad, we see that we can reject the frequency band from around 50 to 60 Hz. The transfer function of this RC20 RC method is very large, and therefore hence the online calculator tool is very much recommended. So I then used Multisim Online to construct the same circuit and use those specified values, and then used the frequency changing method, as you can see here. So as I change the frequencies, you can see the circuit rejects successfully the 50 to 60 Hz band of frequencies. Also, I have noted down the values for the input and the output values corresponding to a specified frequency and calculated the gain, and I have noted down those values. So now I construct the circuit since I found this circuit to be promising. So I build the circuit on a piece of Vero board, and as you can see here, and now I use my phone as a function generator. The link for the app will be in description. So as I do a frequency sweep from 1 Hz to 200 Hz, as you can see on the DSO, the circuit successfully removes the 50 to 60 Hz narrow band of frequencies, and therefore the circuit works pretty well. Also, I have noted down the values for the input and output for the corresponding frequency, and then find out the gain value. So I have noted all those gain values corresponding to the frequency, and as you can see on the screen, I have plotted them on Excel. So as you can see the Bode plot here, it rejects the 50 to 60 Hz narrow band of frequencies. So both our experimental and the simulation circuits are successful, and both the Bode plots resemble to each other. So this circuit is a very much success, and I very much recommend you to build this circuit. And also you can use an active component like an op amp or buffer to be used in the preceding or the next stage to remove any loading effects from the RNC, and therefore you are good to go with this circuit to remove such a power supply hum from your circuit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found something useful, please do like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.